Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयच्या दर्यादेगासयत महत्वाच्या शारांनी साऊंड पोल्युशनाच्यो कागाळी येताल्यो. रातीं उसरां मेरेन लावड म्युझिक चलता म्हणून लोक बोळ करताले. ताचेर आळो घालूंक पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान गोंयभर 38 रियल टायम ऑनलायन साऊंड मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम बसयल्ली. मात ताचो खंय जाय तसो फायदो जाल्लो दिसना. आवाजाची घालून दिल्ली मर्यादा हुपली जाल्यार मॅसेज वता. मात कसलो आवाज तें तपासूंक अधिकाऱ्यांक ते थळार वचचें पडटा. आवाज गाडयो म्युझिकाचो की आनीक कसलो ते स्पश्ट मेळना. आवाजाचो स्रोत कळप कठीण आशिल्ल्यान पोल्युशन कोण करता ते कळप कठीण. पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान खंय मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टमीची खोल्यान चवकशी सुरू केल्या.
Now we had asked the office of the board to tell us whether this noise can differentiate. The differentiation is one thing, differentiate the noise, music noise or any other activities which is there. Secondly, whether it can identify the source. So the board has replied saying that they cannot identify the source firstly, and second they cannot differentiate. As well as the vendors, we had written a mail to the vendors asking like whether the meters which has been installed, whether they can do these two things, whether they can distinguish the noise or they can identify the source. The vendors also had told us they cannot do that. So for that, like we decided, as per the board decision, we had decided to do the inquiry in the first place. And secondly, what we are doing, as per the last time we had made an SOP in the last board meeting. Based on that, what we are saying, like whenever accidents are any found, like we write to the police authorities and to the deputy collectors, concerned deputy collectors, and we are asking them to take actions. So after 10 o'clock, they should not play music. So we send a report to the police, and we are asking that action taken report by the police department. So we are in the process of taking the reports from the police also. And secondly, the third thing is regarding, like we had told this establishment, if they want to play music, it should be in the closed enclosure. They cannot play music into the open.
मजगती तेवटेन मांडवीत प्रदूषण फेकल कॉलिफॉर्म लेवल खंय वाडल्या माहिती मेळटा ती अशी. हायकोर्टान मांडवी न्हंयच्या उदकाच्या क्वॉलिटीचो रिपोर्ट प्रदूषण नियंत्रण बोर्डा कडेन मागिल्लो. प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाक तपासणे वेळार मांडवीत फेकल कॉलिफॉर्म लेवल वाडटा म्हूण मुखार आयलें. 2016 ते 26 मजगती मांडवीत फेकल कॉलिफॉर्म लेवल वाडटा. फेकल कॉलिफॉर्म लेवल खंय सरासरी 100% सकल आसपाक जाय. 2025-26 खंय वाडून 95.83% जाल्या. टोंका माशेल आमोणा ह्या वाठारांत खंय आनीक चड मेळटा. फाटल्या कांय वर्सां पावसाच्या दिसांनी खंय वाडटा. न्हंयत खंय सिवेज सेफ्टी टँकीचें उदक लिकेज जाता म्हूण दुबाव.
Under NWMP, we are doing continuous monitoring of the Mandovi river, and what we have seen, there is a marginal increase from the standard, and also like the continuous monitoring which has been also been done, and plus like we have decided now, as per the High Court directions which has come, we have decided to do the comprehensive study of the qualitative and quantitative water analysis from the IFI point up to the Mandovi bridge. And with that, like we have various chemical parameters, for example pH, turbidity, BOD, COD, plus apart from the microbiological analysis, this fecal coliform also study will be done. And for that, to know whether what are the pollution content or if there is a pollution or not, like for which require a comprehensive study, and we need to collect the sample pre-monsoon, monsoon as well as a post-monsoon. We do the comparative study, and then only we will be able to say what is the exact position. But however, as per the NWMP data, there is a marginal increase in the fecal coliform. And if you go beyond the stretch of the Mandovi breach which is there, comparatively this area, the pollution content is very less. Fecal coliform content is less.
स्टुडंटा खातीर महेश गाडी.